Alexa, who is Chief Minister of Maharashtra?
Maharashtra's Chief Minister is Devendra Fadnavis.
Okay Google, who is Prime Minister of India?
Narendra Modi is the Prime Minister of India.
Okay Google, how big is Earth?
Earth has a radius of 6,371 kilometers.
Alexa, how big is Sun?
The Sun, circumference 27,20,000 miles, diameter 457 crore feet, area 2,35,000 whole square miles, mass 1,990 octillion kilograms, volume 1 octillion 400 septillion cubic meters, radius 4,32,000 miles, width 8,65,000 miles, length 8,65,000 miles.
Okay Google, how long is Mars from Earth?
There was a glitch. Try again in a few seconds.
Okay Google, how long is Mars from Earth?
Here's a summary from the website youtube.com. The journey from Earth to Mars takes about 300 days. Every 2 years Mars is at its closest point, only 55 million kilometers from Earth.
Okay Google, how to make tea?
On the website wikihow.com, they say, to make a cup of tea, place a tea bag in the bottom of a cup and pour boiling water over it. Allow the tea to steep until it's flavorful but not bitter, then serve. To make a pot of tea, put loose tea leaves in an infuser or strainer in the bottom of the teapot.